Welcome friends. Today we are going to see 200 objective type environmental science questions which will be useful to school students and college students.
Of threatened species. Process of restoring forest that once existed but was removed at some time in the past is known as reforestation. Which out of the following are the causes of soil erosion? Soil erosion is due to unrestricted grazing, overcultivation, deforestation, all of the above. Coal deposit that is not economical to mine today would be considered part of our coal reserves. Energy from the heat inside the earth is geothermal. That process is called geothermal. Which is the list of renewable energy resource? Renewable energy resource, it's a hydropower, solar, wind energy. It's a renewable because it gets continuously. So it's a renewable energy resource. Energy in the rays from the sun is called solar energy. A liquid fuel that was formed from the ancient remains of sea plants and animals is petroleum. Which of these is not a fossil fuel? Uranium. Uranium is not a fossil fuel. Man-made resources are alternative to natural resources for a variety of reasons. Which of these would not be one of those? They are made from renewable resources. A resource that cannot be replaced in a reasonably short time is usually referred as non-renewable resources. The fossil fuel that is derived from dead remains of plants that grow some 250 million years ago is coal. It was the under deposit. Resources that take too long a period of time to be used as a resources are called as inexhaustible resources. Resources which are directly derived from nature are referred to as natural resources. What are the consequences of excessive mining in an area? If you go on take the minerals from an area, what happens means there will occur air pollution and water pollution, deforestation, migration of large number of population. So all of the above is the answer. Loss of forest had lead to erosion of fertile soil, global warming, loss of habitat of plants and animals. All of the above. Yes, it's all of the above. Which one of the following is used as a refrigerant? It's a freon gas. I already told you freon gas, it's a chlorofluorocarbon CF2Cl2. The purest form of coal is peat. Poisonous gas given out of a vehicle exhaust is carbon monoxide. It's a repeated question. Alright. The burning of fossil fuel releases a large amount of sulfur into air. The element is sulfur. Biogas contains methane. This is also a repeated question. Okay. Which of the following is not an inexhaustible form of energy? Is a solar energy. Solar energy was not exhausted by the engine or vehicles. Which of the following is a fossil fuel? It's a coal. Hydrarch succession takes place in wetter areas. Mass of living matter at a trophical level in an area at any given time is called standing crop. The final stable community in ecological succession is climax. The upright pyramid of a numbers is absent in forest. Desert, grassland, forest and tundra regions are the examples of ecosystem. You know, ecosystem is a desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, tundra ecosystem. Okay, these are all the ecosystems. Which one of the following is not a gaseous biological chemical cycle is a phosphorus cycle. In a biological cycle we have a carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, sulfur cycle, but there is no phosphorus cycle. Which of the ecological pyramid is always upright? Is a pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is always upright for any ecosystem. This situation indicates that the energy conservation efficiency is small at all trophic levels. Which of these belong to the category of primary consumer in grazing food chain? You all know the food chain is a cow and rabbit is the primary consumer. Whereas snakes and frogs are secondary consumer. Eagle and snakes are secondary consumer. Okay. In a pyramid of numbers in grassland ecosystem, the largest population is that of herbivores. If in a population natality is balanced by mortality, then there will be zero population growth. There will be no population growth or zero population growth. Pyramid of energy in a pond ecosystem is always upright. Which of the following is an example of a man-made ecosystem? So, man-made ecosystem is an aquarium. Energy flow in a ecosystem is multi-directional. Energy flows in a multi-directional, that is in various directions. It's not in a one direction. Which of the following can act as a pioneer species in a xerxes succession? Is a lichens. The second trophic level in a lake is zooplankton. The true end of any food chain is decomposer. Which of these organisms has a diet consisting only of plant matter is herbivores. A group of living organisms of the same kind living in the same place and at the same time refers to as population. It's very simple. Primary source of energy in a food web is sun. Is a primary source. Product of photosynthesis is oxygen. Herbivore is also known as first order consumer. Hydrarch succession takes place in wetter areas. Mass of living matter at a trophic level in an area at any given time is called standing crop. The final stable community in ecological succession is climax. It's a repeated question. The upright pyramid of a numbers is absent in forest. Environment impact assessment. is uh, is a study of biophysical characterization of the environment that may result from the human action. What would you do to prevent environment damage? Plant trees, yes. Halt deforestation, yes. Control pollution, yes. All of the above. Water logging is a phenomenon in which a soil root zone becomes saturated due to over irrigation. Soil erosion removes surface soil which contains organic matter. Adverse effect of modern agriculture is soil degradation. Sustainable development will not aim to the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the needs of future generation to meet their own needs. The most important remedy to avoid negative impact due to the industrialization is industry should treat all the wastages generated by it before disposable. Sustainable development means balance between human needs and the ability of the earth to provide the resources. Which of the following are major environmental issues involved in mining? Is all of the above: water pollution, air pollution and soil degradation. World Environment Day is June 5th. Which among the following is climatic factor? Is all of the above: humidity, pressure and temperature. The word environment is derived from the word French word. Atmosphere contains 79% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen by weight. Biosphere is the thin shell of organic matter on the surface of the earth comprising of all the living things. The term environment has been derived from the French word which means to encircle or surround, environ. Environment is the life support system that includes water, air, land, all of the above. The basic requirements of human beings are provided by nature. Species restricted to be present in one region are called endemic species. Development activities on the hydrosphere causes water pollution. Which one of the following is management option for air pollution? Regulation and standards, transport planning using CNG as fuel, all of the above. Which of the following is not influenced by human activities? So none of the above. Destruction of mangroves and wetlands, depletion of groundwater, increased extinction rate of species. Objective of environment studies is all of the above. Raise consciousness about environmental condition, to teach environmentally appropriate behavior, create an environmental ethic sensitivity society. So all of the above. In an ecotone, the species which become abundant are called edge species. So that's all about the questions. I hope this session, all these 212 questions, where here 10 questions will be repeated. It's all right. This 212 questions will be helpful to you. Thank you.